Mastering everyday phrases. Adjust the antenna. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem a bit outdated but is still used metaphorically in modern English. Adjust the antenna. By understanding this phrase, you'll not only learn about its literal meaning but also how it's applied in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Back in the days when television and radio were the main sources of entertainment and information, antennas were crucial. They were the metal rods or wires used to catch broadcast signals. So, the phrase, adjust the antenna, literally means to move or alter these antennas to improve the reception of the broadcast signal. It was a common activity to ensure clear sound and picture quality. In modern times, you'll hear, adjust the antenna, used more metaphorically. It signifies adjusting one's mindset or perspective to better understand or receive information. For example, if someone is not quite grasping a concept, you might say they need to adjust their antenna to tune into the right frequency of thought. It's a playful way to suggest someone needs to change their approach or perception to improve understanding or communication. Adjust the antenna can pop up in various contexts. In a meeting, a team leader might use it to encourage open-mindedness among team members. In a classroom, a teacher might use it to motivate students to look at a problem from a new angle. It's a versatile phrase that adds a touch of humor or lightness to the conversation, making the idea of change or adjustment more palatable. While younger generations may not have first-hand experience with manual antennas, the phrase still holds its ground in English, thanks to cultural references in movies, TV shows, and stories from older generations. Understanding such phrases enriches your language comprehension and connects you with a wider range of English speakers, including those familiar with the era of antennas. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of adjust the antenna. Whether you're tuning into a new language or trying to catch the signal of a new idea, remembering to adjust your antenna can be a helpful metaphor. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning! Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words and grammar. It's also about embracing the culture and history behind the phrases we use. Keep tuning in!